My name is Zoe Need, and I'm a sophomore majoring in environmental management with a minor in studio art and a certificate in applied research and inquiry. This is where I've been working since I was in high school in herbivory studies and working outside and doing trail maintenance. So I feel like, yeah, this is the way that I can positively impact the university. IU got a budgeted amount from a tree service to do a tree inventory at the large scale, and that was what they were going to go with until we said, you know, we have this living and learning lab idea, and we have students who are capable and can learn the tree identification skills, which is the main thing that took time for students. And we ended up saving the university almost $400,000 by having students do the work. We started doing the tree inventory because the arborists and the people at Landscape Services were noticing a trend in trees. Their health was declining, and we seemed to be planting a lot of small flowering trees which deliver less ecosystem services, so less stormwater retention, less carbon sequestration, stuff like that. And we want to make sure that our trees are healthy because they're so important to campus. So what my boss likes to say is that you can't measure what you don't quantify. So we realized that we didn't know what trees were dying and we didn't know the health of the trees. My role overall is right now just looking at the data and being able to pull it down and do an analysis to see how much the trees are actually worth. So I'm trying to answer various questions, like how much are the trees worth to our campus and what's the overall condition? And we've also divided the campus into 69 neighborhood plots so we can compare like the tailgate fields to the psychology building trees and see if there's a trend overall. This sort of project maybe sets a precedent for other universities to look into doing student-led tree inventories because it was such a success. So I think that it just shows everyone that it's possible for students to do large-scale research and do the analysis with a mentorship, and everyone's really working together to try to make a more sustainable landscape on campus.